Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a spin the wheel challenge wrestling Reddit edition. This is the R-Cube series and this is the wrestling edition of the series. So what this is going to be is that we are going to spin the wheel and whichever subreddit it lands on we have to react to that subreddit. Let's get it. Spinning. It's the squared circle subreddit. Let's go. I was broke before being cast as Drax. When I got the role of Drax in Guardians, I barely worked in 3 years. My house was foreclosed, I had nothing. Man, I sold all my stuff. I sold everything that I made from wrestling. I had issues with IRS, I was just lost in everything. So Drax didn't change my career, it literally changed the trajectory of my life. My life just got better and I became more successful. And that's when things really just started to seem like surreal. Damn, I didn't know Batista could get broke. It just tells you how unpredictable life is. You never know what's going to happen. A person like Batista, he was such a famous wrestler. Damn. Bobby Lashley on The Miz. Bobby Lashley on The Miz. I think Miz just bought a $6-7 million house. Maurice is gorgeous, he has a great family, he has a reality show, a game show, he's doing movies. He's the only 2-time Triple Crowner. I'll take any one of those. If you don't like Miz, you have a little bit of jealousy in you. I'm a big fan of The Miz. Same here, Bobby Lashley. I mean, The Miz is so charismatic, how can you not like him? He is one of a kind. He is one of a kind. John Cena's latest Instagram post, CM Punk. John Cena's Instagram posts are questionable anyways, but this one kind of made sense because he came back. That was fucking big. That was fucking huge. Shot I got of the finish from the Impact title match at the debut of AEW Rampage. Christian Cage versus Kenny Omega. That's a very good shot. Finn Balor versus Baron Corbin. The new Baron Corbin render has me dying. Not that funny. Bray Wyatt's WWE release a hit to morale for several. Talent reaction. Bray Wyatt's WWE same. A full pic of Jamie Hayter's new look and gear. Nice gear, but who is she? Ric Flair, Conan, and Charlotte backstage at Triple Mania. Nice. Bray's post about his mental health needs another read by everyone in my opinion. You are stale, they ruined you, he is boring, I hate his matches. My life is art, my art successes and my loved ones are the only exit I have from my mental health. You have no idea how much a simple, thoughtless comment on social media can directly affect the person you are sending it to. With great power comes great responsibility. The negativity in our world is astonishing. And mental health is at an all-time decline. Be better. It could save a life. They saved mine. I love you, Jojo. I love you, kids. I love you, mom. This sounds deeper than it should be. Yeah, this is serious. This is a bit serious. Check on him. Check on him. Check on him. This is not okay. Check on him. Kairi Sane accidentally throws the NXT Women's Championship into the crowd during her entrance. But where the hell is the video? She actually threw it. Okay, that's kind of sad. Big Sexy Kevin Nash leaves a very nice message for the Young Bucks on Matt Jack's Instagram. 17 years ago we made a debut. Who could have thunk a couple of kids from Rancho Cucamonga, whatever, would end up being the greatest team in history? I don't know about that. Crazy. Thanks everyone. Real Kevin Nash. I did. I thought you had the intangibles. Plus, anyone that can take that Rancho heat has got to be tough. Exactly. United Center. Let's go. CM Punk is back in the business. A fan ran into Bray Wyatt today. Gotta say, he's looking in much better shape. Let's see. Yes, he is looking in much better shape. CM Punk's amazing promo with The Rock. You can't leave a mark on the champ's face. Understand? When you step in the ring, your arms are just too short to box with God. Damn. CM Punk was such a savage, but he still is. He is back. I still can't observe it properly. Yes. I mean, the promos were great, but of course the result was why? Why would you give the belt to The Rock? I mean, I wouldn't say he didn't deserve it, but well, he didn't. Yeah, Virgil has set up a shop on top of Vince McMahon's Hollywood Walk of Fame. This was so sad. This was so sad. Like, nobody knows who Virgil is. This was really sad. 3 years ago, Becky Lynch turned on. No, not in that way. 3 years ago today, Becky Lynch turned on Charlotte Flair at SummerSlam to a huge reaction and began her run as the man. Interesting observation. I feel Brett and Sean's selling of being headbutted into each other is a cool reflection. English is a cool little reflection of their respective styles of selling and their approaches to wrestling. Those are really different styles. Okay, I like this. Chelsea Green. I never thought I'd be in a legal battle for my birth given name. What happened? Tom Holland? What the fuck? I didn't know this. Damn, okay. What? When did this happen? Johnny Gargano. Pro wrestler, Cleveland, be yourself an outwork. Very tall, not in our 30s. Young Bucks are not tall, but okay. So that is it for the video, guys. If you enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe. Peace.